spider cam. This says GeoTrax Train. This says the clock. You see that clock? There it is. There. You see that clock? Here. See this? You see that?
What is that?
That is the station. This is the turntable where the trains rest. And this is the yard where it gets fixed. And this is my train. And that's where the train model, but it's not a train model.
This here, my friends, is the train. This is the button.
Make it go.
That makes it go. You have to be far enough away so it stays in focus. See? If you look, see how good that looks like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go show them the rest.
See that turntable? The switch goes down.
See, that's good. That's really good.
Daddy?
What's over there?
And over there is the washer machine. That's the washer. I'll show you something else. And see that?
Perfect, see.
That is the gas thing where the trains get gas.
True.
And that is the suspension bridge. Oh, do you see that? That's the scooper. He's resting there. And you see those tracks? They're right about there. And lead all the way over to there.
How about over here? Tell us about this guy.
And this is about the yard. That's the crane. He's a little confused about this. And that's the station. Right about there.
Right where? Here?
That's the station. Or you see that little figure? There's a little crash right there.
Where?
Right there. Right about there. Right there.
Oh my goodness, there's a crash there?
A little one.
Okay.
So, and this is the clock tower. And then...
Can you see me?
Yes. Daddy, get out of the picture.
Okay.
And this is the yard. And this is the station. See this? You can't go like
back
that.
up so it's nice. It's in focus, so it's not a bad picture. Is it in focus?
Yeah. And this is the gas thing.
Should I have a train come over there so you can feel it?
This is tough. He's tough.
Can they see it on the recorder?
These are rough. I use this gas and then... That's me. I can feel it.
Watch that. Are you done? You want to go watch it? See how it turned out?
See that? Do you see that? That is where the boats and planes go. And see that black plane? He's just in there. And you see that? That is the suspension bridge. You want to get a closer look? We don't. This is the roof.